All right, so this HP laptop was dropped, and you can see here that the little power DC input is broken, but I don't need to buy a whole new laptop. I just need to replace this particular component, and here's why. You can barely see the little pin inside of this guy. This is what plugs in to charge the laptop, and the DC power jack is missing a little plastic piece around all these wires. So ideally the pin would slot into another tube inside of this tube. I'll show you what a good one looks like. So you can just go online, look up your laptop model number, and find a parts diagram, or just Google like DC power input replacement part. This guy's like 10 bucks. This will save me so much money. But these guys have a little tube on the inside of the tube, and the pin inside of this guy will plug into the tube here. And the reason it's designed like this is so you don't electrocute yourself. But look at this. This thing just literally plugs in internally. So if I can unscrew all the pieces of this guy, I can plug this guy in. We're playing with Legos. So let me show you how it's done. Just unscrew as many of these back screws as you need to. Then you get the front screws and take a little spudger and crack this guy open. And it really helps when you get it kind of popped off in a lot of areas to go around and give it a little swipe to get the pressure right. It's kind of hard to show you this with one hand, but you basically put it in and you swipe it back and forth. And in literally like 30 seconds, you can have it ready. So here's this guy. Looks like there's some glue here, so I'll have to super glue this in. I might have to take apart this metal guy right here because it's holding it down, but you can see the cable routes. That's where it goes. And luckily, my replacement appears to be 100% matchy-matchy. Now this part is connected to the hinge, so what I did is I opened the lid briefly, and that brought it up here. Now we can take this guy out. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's literally just playing with Legos. Okay, we got the new guy in. Tested powering it on. You can see the fans were just spinning. It's a little wiggly, but honestly, I don't care. I'm probably only gonna have this hunk of junk for another year anyway, and then it's gonna become a server. So, finish screwing these guys in, put it all back together, call it a day, boom.